Who's that in there? It's a gremlin.
Osbornes in Jamaica.
So where are we going? We're going to pick up your...
We're going to go look for some school uniform for these two.
To get in your school uniform.
Yeah, Daddy's talking to you.
Yes.
Yeah?
So your first Jamaican school uniform, right? Yeah, man.
Where do you think, what shop do you think it would be in?
This one here, the one that says 3A Fashion and Variety Store. Oh yeah, look. I'm in the shop. Thank you so much. We actually have no idea where we need to go to get this uniform. No, this is the Yugo Haberdashery Baby Store. We're gonna go and go in and get some spiced buns then. Okay, now we're at Elegant Stationery and we're gonna try and see if we can get some school uniforms in here. We've been told to go to a shop opposite Digicel, but we're basically on a wild goose chase. Yes, opposite Digicel. Yeah, 1 sec, I'm just looking at... So that's 5,000 and up.
How did they get on this?
Don't know, T. Who's that in there? It's a gremlin. Come out. Don't knock anything over. Good girl. So we're just doing it old school, just going store to store.
I think the boys, it's like the dark brown. Okay. So, okay.
They didn't stock the uniform, but the lady made some calls to find out where we could get it from. We have to get a dressmaker, basically.
Sharon said we could either buy it or if we can't buy it then. So Hazy, what do you think of these uniforms? Look at this purple one.
Oh, I love it.
You love it.
But I like it.
You like which one?
Remember there's a Digicel here as
yes,
well.
pretty. What about this blue one? This blue one's nice as
There.
well.
See, there's a
Oh,
Digicel.
look. What does this match, Hazel?
Remember,
I could wear it.
You could wear that to work.
there's a Digicel right there.
Oh, I know there is. All right, so we're outside. Here we go. Elegant Stationery. What's that?
She's just calling a teacher.
Oh, really?
Khaki pants and what shirt? It depends on the grade. From infant
5.
Is he?
He's 5 years old,
Yeah, he's 5 years old.
and she's 3.
3.
they'll wear shine yellow bush jacket with epaulets which are purchased from the school. The epaulets are also shine yellow bush jacket.
So the bush
Hazel.
jacket. Okay.
Yes.
So the lady's just on the phone, phoning the school just to find out what uniform that the children need.
Right up to grade 3 now.
Okay.
Because different schools wear different colours and different ages, like different grades wear different uniforms as well. So we're just finding out what exactly we need.
Girls wear.
I left the print at home.
Navy blue tunic. Piping on the blouse.
Say hello, Hazy.
And the collar.
Okay.
Do you want to get down, Melody?
Just the same.
Get down. Where's your shoe gone now?
Have the piping on there. Collar just on the sleeve.
I was sent on a mission to try and find the missing sandal. We searched high and low, all 3 of us, Theodore, Hazel and myself.
Thank you.
It was in the car the whole time.
Said like the piping needs to be done according to it's probably best we go to a dressmaker.
What, even with the trousers?
The trousers we can buy. But
So what we want to do, we want to go to the dressmaker first, and then after we've been to the dressmaker, then we want to go and get the shirt, don't we?
yeah, but the dress she said said, because it's like, you know, it requires like certain detailing, it's best the dressmaker does it. But the trousers, let me see, because I might not have much money.
Hazel, which bunny are you gonna get?
The spotty one.
That's a cake, isn't it?
The cake.
T, what one are you gonna get?
Orange.
Found Bulla?
Oh, look.
Bulla, I can't see it.
Mum, look.
Surprise.
Yeah.
Mum, I want a cake.
There's a piece of cake. Yeah.
That's what
Yeah, well, I'm not surprised. Cake is pretty nice.
Well, I have an idea. What if we get cake and spice bun? Dad, what if we get cake and spice bun?
Okay, you're having a Bulla.
But I
Morning. Please can I have 2 Bullas and can I get a cran water as well, please?
want water.
Can I just get a water?
Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody.
Come in.
I come jumping out.
You happy?
Wow. Is that your cap? That's my cap, man.
No, it's my cap.
You just stole it off me, didn't
I
you?
just stole it off of you, then you stole it off of me.
No, I didn't. Give me that.
Hey, you stole it off of me now. Give me that.
You look really cool, man.
What about this?
Oh, even cooler.
What about this?
Whoa, that's the coolest. Here, let me try something else. How about that?
It's not even cooler, it's hotter.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. You look
So
good.
I keep it like this and this and this. When I do it, it's much cooler.
Yeah, I can see that. Here's another way to do it. Look. Wait, let go.
Hey!
Just with your chin out of it. Ugh, don't do that. Boop. Oh, you're a cool gal.
But one of my eyes are where could my
You're a
eyes
pirate now.
What about this way?
Yeah, it's really cool.
We are in Top Queen. We are in Mandeville and we're looking for some school trousers for tea.
We're gonna get there. They do, don't they?
Gonna try it
You gonna pop them on?
Put your leg in.
Get your leg in, man.
That's it.
Here he is trying on his first pair of Jamaican school trousers. Plenty more to come.
Let's see. Can we get a picture of you, TT? Look.
Whoa, jeez, you're
Wow.
wow, you're a big man now.
Look at that, Give us. Say look.
Oh, all right, back up, man.
You got a button.
Oh, you look good. Thank you.
Go on then, look at Daddy. How do they feel, them trousers? Tell Daddy how the trousers feel.
Sorry.
So they feel comfortable.
Wow, your first pair of Jamaican school trousers.
I got a button.
You've got a button.
You want me to try on the shirt?
We have to get the shirt tailor-made, don't we?
Yeah, I don't know if it's the same one and they... It's gentle, hey? It's gentle. What'd you say to the lady? What'd you say to the lady? Thank you. Thank you for helping me.
Pretend that we don't know how much it cost in future. We'll know.
got to buy all like their pens and all of that stuff as well.
So, do you come here often?
Come Hazy, come out the way.
Everything's good.
You look cool, man. Wow, you actually look really good in them.
Yeah.
Do you want them?
Yeah.
Yeah, they look. Hey!